Okay, so nobody knows that I'm doing this with the exception of Aiden's dad. I'm here at Ralph Shop Mini, and I'm surprising Aiden by buying him the car. So he doesn't know what I'm up to, and I'm pretty excited to see the look on his face when he sees what he's about to get. It'll be really, really cool. Here's all the cool mini gear you can get. Check it out. Your mini cup. Not prices on anything. Oh wait. You can get like a speaker set. You can get a mini trash bag and whatever the heck that is. They actually have a car that's this color, so you can get a water bottle that matches your car, which would be cool. There it is. Really excited about this. Okay guys, I did it. I bought Aiden a new car. New to him. It's not brand new. It's super cool, in an amazing shape, Mini Cooper S. And I'm not going to bore you with all the details because I'm sure he will vlog the heck out of this car. I'm just so excited to be able to do this for him. One of the things that's freaking me out a little bit is the fact that this is red, and I keep thinking it means something's wrong, but I guess I can change it. I kind of like that color, so we're gonna drive home with that color. So anyways, you guys are gonna be inundated with video about this amazing and cool car, and I can't wait to see Aiden's face. Okay, they're at the Rusty Bucket. So, are they in there? Do they see what I'm doing here? I didn't see Aiden. Whoa. Tight little turning radius on this car. And parallel park, but do not ruin the wheels. I texted the gal while I was in there.
You did? You're not recording.
Oh, I am. Now I am.
Have I left that in your car?
No, I stole it because I've been vlogging this entire thing.
Nice. Thank you.
Dad is 100% on board with this as well. Can we
Really?
FaceTime him now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did you get it? Has Lillian been on board with this too?
Oh yeah, she's known. She found out. Okay, she found out today because she looked at my location services and she's like, "What are you doing there?"
You look so surprised.
I'm so glad you got that.
Thank you.
Oh, you're frozen. Can you see us?
No.
Oh, poor connection.
Did you hear us at all?
Oh, I can see us.
You can see us? You can hear us?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yep.
Aiden found out that the Mini sold today.
So where's the car?
No, where'd you park?
Where's the car?
The car's parked down the street. We haven't gotten to it yet.
So where did you park it earlier?
So Aiden's asking me how I managed to do this. So by the way, it's not an hour. It takes like 3 hours to buy a car.